I want the people of Goa to understand that I also hold a town planning portfolio, which is a very sensitive portfolio, and I want you to understand that I'm going to soon share a phone number, and this phone number is going to be a number which you can complain on corruption, record voices of people, record anything and put it and use it and share it on social media, so there will be a fear of anybody, whether he is a person from public life or is a person on any other front. If he tries to take a bribe, then you should make sure that you trap such people and expose them to public. I am, for one, going to be very strict as far as the portfolios held by me are concerned. I shall be sharing an email shortly in the next live when I come, an email which you can address, but with authentic facts. And facts are something that we are going to explore the complaints that are made, and also a phone number so that our office can keep a record of such things. It's very important in today's time to be very transparent. The vision of the Prime Minister is to have a people-friendly government with a very transparent approach, and that's how we are going to move forward. And I appeal to all the people, if anybody asks me for a bribe in any of my departments, please make sure that you bring it to my knowledge, and I will ensure that I'll act on it. Nobody to take bribes, and nothing will be entertained in any of my departments. Hence, I appeal to each of the citizens of the state of Goa. Today, from my cabin, I take this live to appeal to you that you have a minister here who is going to be very transparent, very strict, and for that I require the support of the people. Go all out, no problem. You can use your phones, you can use your whatever mechanism you want if you feel that somebody is trying to exploit you, and expose such people.